Swinging right now, Hugh Odom. He's a former attorney for AT&T and founder of.
Here to further discuss the big concerns surrounding the 5G.
What are rent rates for cell towers in 2024? We're at the start of 2024.
What we're seeing for cell tower lease rates is in urban locations, you're seeing rates between $1,200 a month to over $2,000 a month, with an escalator between 2 to 3% every year. I don't believe this is the correct amount, but that's what they're paying right now. In rural areas, you're seeing far less, $500 to $1,000 a month, with escalators 2% or less on those sites. Understand, never believe what they're approaching you with for rents. Understand the individual value of your cell tower lease, whether you have an existing cell tower on your property or you've been approached for a new cell tower. There's always a way to look at this, and the way to look at it properly is your individual site, not what other people are getting paid. If you've been approached for a new cell tower lease, or if you have an existing cell tower lease, you know the two words you need to eliminate from your vocabulary to make more money? Here they are: market rent. Why? There's no such thing as market rent. Every cell site has its own individual value. The cell tower companies don't want you to know that. They want you to rely on what they paid other people. Why? Because they made really good deals for themselves, and the property owners are getting underpaid. You need to understand the value of your one cell site to that cell tower company. You want to know how to make money off a cell tower lease? What's structuring that cell tower lease properly? Look at this site right here. The property owner just leased out the space below. They're getting paid a few $100s a month from using that space by the cell tower company. But guess what? If you look up at the cell tower, look at those antennas up there. That's AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. That tower is generating $20,000 a month for the cell tower company. Guess what? That property owner is only getting paid a few $100s a month. Who's getting the better deal? If you understand how to structure a cell tower lease correctly, you not only get the money from leasing your land, but you get the money they're making from leasing the tower. If you want to learn more about cell towers, and more particularly the cell tower industry, hit the subscribe button and learn more. And always remember, get more money, get a better lease, get vertical.